Let's walk through how to create and send a proposal in Accounting Flow. From the left-hand panel, click Proposals. Here, you can either create a new proposal or edit an existing template. Give your proposal a name and description, and set reminders for when you'd like clients to be notified. Now, add your proposal content. You can use template tags like today's date, client name, or company number. You can also add conditional blocks, so content appears only if a certain service is assigned to the client. When writing your proposal, you can fully format the text, make it bold, italic, underlined, and insert tables, images, or other elements to keep your document professional and easy to read. Next, let's look at proposal styling. You can change the background or font color, assign a new font, upload images into the header on the left and right, add page numbers, and place images in the footer corners. Once you're happy, you can save or preview the proposal and check how it looks. To send a proposal, head to Clients in the left-hand panel. Select the client you'd like to send it to, then open the Proposals tab. Click New, choose the template you want, and hit Preview. The proposal will be automatically downloaded as a PDF, ready to upload into QuickSign for signature, or send directly to your client via email. And that's it. Proposals in Accounting Flow make it simple to create, customize, and send professional documents to your clients.